How's it going, everybody? Alex here with Genesis of Schaumburg. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip. We're going to talk about how to connect your Bluetooth to your Genesis GV80. So in today's video, we're just going to do a little tutorial on how to connect your phone to Bluetooth in the Genesis models. The infotainment system is really intuitive, it's super user-friendly, and it's really quick and easy to do a bunch of things. But today we're going to talk about connecting your phone to Bluetooth. So first things first, on the dashboard here, you can see if we go back to your map, this is basically the home screen when you turn the car on. If you go to setup over here, so the setup here is going to have a bunch of different options. We have things like your display, your screen theme layout, voice recognition, setting up a user profile, your sound, and then also we have device connections, which is where your Bluetooth is going to be. So click on device connections. It's going to bring up this screen that says device connection settings. We can see that there are no devices paired, but to pair a new Bluetooth device, we press the add button below.
Turn Bluetooth on in your mobile device in order to search.
So then this screen gets brought up, and then we can see the vehicle name is GV80. We'll go to our Bluetooth settings, and you can see right there it says GV80. We're going to click that one. It'll say add new device, vehicle name GV80 with that pass key. We just got to make sure that pairing request is the same. We'll click pair, and it'll ask if you want to allow contacts and favorites to sync. That's just the contacts in your phone. You can click allow or don't allow. And then you also can add or delete other devices here. Thanks for watching today's video on how to connect your Bluetooth in your GV80. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos just like this, and we will catch you guys next time.